That's what I was looking for, and I realized that there was no useful test that was of practical value as a genetic test for nutrition, except in 3 areas. One is, how do you respond to caffeine? Although you can test that yourself. You don't really need geneticists you can try caffeinated and decaffeinated coffee and do your own experiment and save yourself 200 euros. The second one is lactose intolerance. So the genes for that are reasonably accurate, although it doesn't always correlate. And the third one is alcohol. And again, you can do your own experiments on that to see how quickly you break down alcohol, because everyone is different. Now, all the other tests, I think, are of such small effect size that they're practically useless at an individual level. They work at the population level, and they might be significant in studies, but when you get to an individual, it's no better than tossing a coin. So we've shown, I expected genes to be much more important in our studies. That's why we use twins. But what we're seeing is that, for example, your response to fats, less than 5% of the variation in your response to any fat in a meal is due to genetics. That shows things like the microbiome are much more important. So I can tell much more about any of your health by studying your gut microbiome than I can your whole genome.